Marissa.
Hi, I'm Noah.
And we're from the United States, and we're staying here in Sagg Eco Village. The people here are incredible, and the views are incredible, and they have all of their fresh veggies and fruits that they cook for you, which is also incredible. The food, you have to try it, all of it.
Yesterday we did some pottery, and then it's just a very great place to relax and enjoy the nature. And it's just really cool to see some traditional values of like Kashmiri people, see how people can reconnect with nature and reconnect with tradition while also just like living, enjoying life.
And we went for some nice hikes and cooked some nice food and hung out with the best people. So you guys have to come check it out.